Most people get this wrong when choosing software for a small field service team. They think they need enterprise-level tools built for huge companies. But that usually slows small teams down and wastes money. Here's the truth no one tells you. A 1 to 5 person team doesn't need more features. It's faster scheduling, easier communication, and simple job tracking that actually gets used every day. In this video, you'll learn the best software for small field service teams in 2026, what each tool is best at, and how to choose the right one for your workflow. Let's start with one of the most popular choices. Housecall Pro is often the first pick for small service teams. It works especially well if you are managing technicians, sending quotes, and collecting payments on the go. Imagine John running a small plumbing crew with 3 technicians. With Housecall Pro, he can assign jobs, track progress, and send invoices without calling everyone repeatedly. But here's the problem. Some small teams feel overwhelmed because Housecall Pro includes more features than they actually use. That can make things feel complicated when you just want something simple and fast. Now let's talk about a simpler option. Jobber is one of the best balanced tools for teams of 1 to 5 people. It keeps everything clean and easy to understand. Scheduling, quoting, and invoicing are all in one place without unnecessary complexity. If Alex runs a 2-person HVAC team, Jobber helps him see the full day's schedule instantly and avoid double booking or missed appointments. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your team is extremely small and budget is your main concern, FieldPulse is a strong option. It offers job management, customer tracking, and basic scheduling tools at a more affordable price point. It's especially useful for new businesses that are still growing and don't want high monthly costs. In a minute, I'll show you a tool combination that many small teams use instead of expensive all-in-one platforms. Before that, let's look at ServiceTitan. It is powerful, but honestly, it is built more for larger companies. For a 1 to 5 person team, it can feel heavy and expensive. It only makes sense if you are planning rapid expansion. This is where most people fail. They pick software based on what bigger companies use instead of what their current team actually needs. That leads to wasted money and unused features. Now here's a simple but powerful setup many small teams overlook. Using Google Calendar for scheduling combined with Square for payments and a lightweight CRM like Zoho can cover most basic field service needs without high subscription costs. It is flexible, simple, and easy to scale later. So what should you choose? If you want an all-in-one system, Housecall Pro is strong. If you want simplicity and clarity, Jobber is the best fit. If you want lower cost entry, FieldPulse works well. And if you want a custom lightweight stack, simple tools like Google Calendar and Square can be enough. The best software is not the most advanced one. It is the one your team actually uses every single day without confusion. If this video helped you understand the best software for your small field service team in 2026, make sure to like, subscribe for more business tool breakdowns, and comment your team size so I can help you choose even better.